How to redeem Foot Locker gift card online. Open up a preferred browser on your PC or your mobile device and search for Foot Locker. Tap on the first suggestion shown, or even search for footlocker.com on your URL address box. You will land in the official homepage of Foot Locker. First step, you can go ahead and sign in to your Foot Locker. If not, you can even window shop for a while. To redeem your Foot Locker gift card, first step is to purchase an item off your Foot Locker website. So go ahead and do that. Let's start by signing in to our Foot Locker account. If you do not have one, tap on Sign Up. Now once you are signed in to your Foot Locker account, you can just go ahead and select the shoe that you want to purchase. For an example, I have selected this one. So scroll down. Then select the color of your preference and do not miss out to select the size. Once you are done, you have to tap on Add to Cart. When you tap to Add to Cart, the final option is to purchase the item through payment method. While you are paying, you will see the option of promo code or coupon code dialog box. You simply have to go ahead and enter your promo code right there in the given dialog box. Once you do this, you will see a substantial deduction in your total of the order. And that's how you will know your promo code has worked. And voila! Successfully redeemed your Foot Locker gift card. This is pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.